No more manual tasks. This was the promise made at the Dreamforce Sales Keynote.
No more manual tasks. How about an assistant?
How about no more data entry? No more manual tasks.
Is that possible? I love what computers can help us to do, but I'd much rather spend meaningful time driving results rather than updating record details and entering in call summaries. What if you didn't have to edit fields in Salesforce every time new information surfaced? What if you didn't have to manually come up with a comprehensive summary of the call you just made with a prospect? Built on the newly announced Einstein1 Platform, we can use Einstein Chat, a new prospecting center, automated outreach, Sales Cloud Everywhere, sales planning, and more to accelerate pipeline, supercharge productivity, and unlock more revenue. Stick around if you want to see what this looks like and what it means for you. I also want to give you a resource to help you leverage all of these new AI Salesforce tools at the end of this video. Before we jump into an overview of the new tools, we need to understand how all of this is possible. Salesforce has made a big shift in strategy to focus on data plus CRM plus AI. The foundational layer of this new strategy is the new Einstein1 Platform. If you want to learn more about the Einstein1 Platform, I'll link the video above, but for now, understand that AI requires lots of data, relevant data, to surface intelligence and insights. We will look at all of the exciting new tools in a second, but first, here are a few quick sound bites on building a unified data pool in Data Cloud.
Now, before we talk about anything else, we've got to talk about data. And it starts with your CRM data, leads, accounts, opportunity. Then you got your external data, like news and social. Then you have a vast trove of sales activities data generated from your emails, your calls, and even clicks on your website. You need it together all in one place, and you need it to be fueling the decisions that your team is making every day. That's why we built the data platform. It automatically captures data across every interaction to fuel intelligent apps.
Okay, so we have data in place. How can we accelerate the pipeline with these new AI tools? Einstein can help you scale and personalize prospect interactions on your website, even while you're asleep. Having conversations and assisting prospects find what they are looking for through a chat interface. The brand new Prospecting Center can then surface intelligence and insights for you about all of your prospects, providing customer fit and buying interest scores based upon your CRM data and external resources like website engagement. Okay, great. Now you can follow up with each of these prospects one by one, right? Well, you could, or you can have Einstein do that for you. You can automate the outreach. This is wild. I want you to hear this from Mary Ann, an SVP at Salesforce.
I have a very, very busy week this week. I don't have time to reach out. Einstein has me covered by helping me scale and automate my outreach. I know all of my preferred channels for my prospects, and I can go and say, hey, connect by email, connect by LinkedIn, or in this case, I'm going to have Einstein call them. Yes, Einstein is going to call them on the phone.
I'm really interested to see how this works out. Is this a generic robocall? What does this look like? We don't know yet. This comes out in February, but take a second to subscribe so that you will see the future videos we put out on how to best use these tools in the future. We've seen how we can accelerate the pipeline. We will see how we can unlock more revenue in a second, but let's first look at the seller experience and supercharging productivity. Here is a quick overview of Salesforce Everywhere, which can help you make updates from alternative, relevant places on the web.
I click into Sales Cloud Everywhere when I'm on the web. So I'm drinking my coffee, I'm reading my news, and I notice one of my customers just got a promotion. Yay, hooray, Lauren. And I'm gonna ask Einstein Copilot to just update her details for me. Notice there is no manual entry here. This is happening without any effort. Yay, yes, right, all right. You know what, while I'm at it, I am gonna also ask Einstein to get me caught up on this account. Tell me a little bit more with a summary. Looky there, I don't have to go read a ton of notes. While Einstein was doing all this hard work for me, I remembered I needed to update some of the opportunities in this account, so I asked Einstein to open my workspace. Did you see that? It opened in the browser as well. I'm still outside of CRM, so I'm just gonna update the opportunity amount here, and that change is saved back to my CRM.
That is really cool. She was on LinkedIn, saw an update, and asked Einstein to make that update in Salesforce. What about when you are in Outlook? Can Einstein help you there too? Yes, it can. You can have Einstein generate an email draft for you by inputting a prompt and then inserting that draft into the email. And what about the call summary automation? If your call is completed through the Salesforce ecosystem, a transcript can be generated for you along with a call summary. You can then even ask Einstein Copilot to generate follow-up responses for you based upon the call so that you can follow up with the details that the lead needs. Remember, if you want to know when all of this is available or how you can best take advantage of these tools, stick around. The final tools revealed were about unlocking revenue as a sales ops professional. The most exciting announcement in this category, in my opinion, was the sales planning tool. You can use sales planning to create efficient territories for a team based upon the data available and the variables you choose. This is all great, but when is it available? Here you can see all of the features and when they are available. Most are generally available now, while Einstein Prospecting Center, Auto Prospecting, and Einstein Copilot will be available in February. What should you do now? First, subscribe so I can help keep you up to date. But second, click the link in the description to sign up for the free AI Associate Certification Crash Course. I'll be releasing this soon, and I'll email you a link so that you can be prepared both for how to leverage AI inside of Salesforce and how to pass the AI Associate Certification exam. Let me know what your favorite new feature is down in the comments below. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you again next time.